So look at here, Anaheim. Able to make it back out to the track. Tristan England, JCB Degatron. As I said, when he came out here, he was not able to fire up that truck. He had to take him off with that JCB Dirt Squad. When he makes his way to the track, can Matt Pagliarulo take him out and move on to the semifinals? They get set at the line. They say let's restage for a second. Gonna get Tristan England, JCB set at the line.